Namaste. First of all, to introduce myself, I am Sri Devi, Principal of Maitri Vidya Niketan, Ramurthy Nagar at Bangalore. Ours is a school that was established in 2003 with a strength of almost 1,300 students altogether. So many of the parents are not too highly educated and their expectations from the school is really high. So because of this, the responsibility of the school is that much more. And we have taken up the school integrated program from Infinity so that we can give the parents what it is that they are looking for. They want their children to participate in all the competitive exams like JEE, NEET, and see that they get the best colleges for their higher education. With my nearly 32 years of experience in the educational field, I have seen various programs and I have tried out various programs. And as a principal, I've had the opportunity of interacting with different people. And here, when I went through this Infinity Learn classes, I have found that they are catering to what exactly we need, what exactly we think our parents would be looking out for. The classes are conducted in the school, which is the most important aspect. So within the school hours, the children are able to have their additional coaching, which the parents are looking for. The classes are conducted live with experienced faculty members who have brought out many ranks in the course of their training. So this program includes the textbooks, live classes, assessments, and also prompt feedback. So the school gets prompt feedback after every assessment is over so that we are able to track the students who are doing their assessments or not, how they are doing it, where they are lacking. So remediation becomes easy for us because within the class hours, we are also able to do the remediation wherever the children are lacking. And after taking up the classes, we have found quite a vast change in the students' approach to their own studies. They have become more competitive and they want to know where they have lost their marks and what it is, which area it is that they have to improve upon. So this feedback we have seen from the students themselves and in their ability to track their own progress and their own mistakes. So I think the Infinity Learn program is definitely helped our students and it is helping them to become more competitive and to be able to take it up in the forthcoming years also. So I think this batch of students who have taken it up, when they take up the competitive exams, they will definitely be more self-confident and able to do it well. Thank you.